Hello everyone, and welcome to Fulton County Library System's How to Use Creativebug. You're going to start out on our main website, which is fulcolibrary.org. You will then go under Digital Library. From there, you can look under our new databases to find Creativebug. It will also be listed when it is no longer new under Adult Learning below. Go ahead and tap on Creativebug, then enter your library card and PIN number. Once you have logged in with your library card and PIN number, Creativebug will prompt you to put in your first name, last name, email, and password to create your account, which I have done earlier, so we could have access right now. But you will still end up on this same welcome screen, and then we will just click See Latest Classes here, and this is Creativebug. You will see all of the classes are broken down by either topic, live crafting classes, or daily practices. You will also see your account up in the top right. So you can see recently watched, your playlist, your gallery, the community, as well as your referrals. You will have a search bar at the top to search by classes, images, instructions, or blog content. You will also see the same class breakdown and inspirations with a calendar of events, live classes, and daily practices at the top. So let's explore Creativebug. I like to knit, and I also like to bake. So let's see what they have under food and home and knitting. So you will see some of the classes listed here, and some of the classes will require extra technology like the laser cutting Glowforge one here or the Cricut machine, which, fun fact, some of your outreach events that we might be doing when we can go back into the world again will include a Cricut machine. So let's look at an actual baking one. How about surface designs with royal icing and buttercream? I'm one of those people that's already thinking about the winter holidays and decorating cookies. So here you will see kind of the level of skill required, how long the class will be, who the class is taught by, as well as the things that you will learn within the class, so like painting on cookies. So there's part 1 and part 2, as well as some of the content and materials you will need, as well as comments from viewers. So we have materials listed. We'll need a layer cake, a spatula, and some icing. You can also add your own notes, discuss with other viewers, or add to watch list. So we went ahead and tapped add to watch list. Now if we go under my watch list on my account, it should be listed there, but it is not. Maybe I did not click hard enough. Let's try that again. All right, and here we are under just all classes. But let's get back to food and home. So you can browse through, again, add things to wish list or playlist, comment with other people who are watching the same class as you are, as well as kind of get a shopping list of materials needed. I know I'm going to enjoy Creativebug, and I hope you do too. Thank you.